Yes, we're working for Boretti, and Boretti is the sub-sponsor from the Rabobank. And this is our mobile kitchen, and we're working here. Every day we are starting on 6 o'clock for the breakfast, and then we make a lunch at 12 o'clock, and in the evening we make the dinner here. This is what we're doing in the day.
You do that at all races?
Yes. We go to the Dauphiné, we go to the Tour, we go to the other races from the Rabobank.
We make every day fresh food for the riders. Only for the riders. The team has from the food from the hotel, and we make first menus. The menus were controlled by a food specialist. He is a dietist, and he read the special composites, and he give them a color, so we know it's normal or a great etappe, and so we know that we give every day the food.
Okay, so you know you give enough calories and stuff to the riders?
Yes, calories and egg.
Yeah. Supplements and
yeah. Yes.
Okay.
And that's the important things who we have need in our food.